Hello guys, welcome back to another AIME problem solution video. Today we get another question here, and as always, let's start off by reading the question. So, consider arrangements of the 9 numbers 1, 2, 3, to 9, so most likely 1 through 9, in a 3 by 3 array, so most likely kind of like a square shape. For each such arrangement, let A1, A2, and A3 be the medians of the numbers in rows 1, 2, and 3 respectively, and let M be the median of A1, A2, and A3. Let cube the number of arrangements for such that M is going to be equal to 5, and find the remainder when Q is divided by 1000. So here we're going to use some logic and number theory. So we can see that 5 definitely belongs into the set A1, A2, and A3 for M to be equal to 5. And why is this? Well, because 5 is the middle number in 1 through 9, we see that if at least one of these numbers is equal to 5, then M also has to equal to 5. And why is this? Well, there are 4 numbers below 5 and 4 numbers above 5. So no matter what, one of these numbers, so out of these 3 numbers, one is going to be bigger than 5, one is going to be lower than 5, and one is going to be equal to 5, which is the median, or M. So now, because we know that let's say one of these numbers might be 5, we can see that without loss of generality, so if you don't know what this stands for, we're going to be making an example case. So I'll write down our 3 by 3 array. So I'll write small little underlines for us to put the numbers in. Now without loss of generality, we're putting the 5 in the top left corner. And after we're finishing solving how many cases there are, we'll multiply by 9 for every other possible place that the 5 could be in. Now for this first case, we see that there are 4 possibilities for this number here. I'll write it in a circle so you see that's probabilities and not like the actual number, and 4 here. And now, why is this? Well, because like I said before, we need a number that's going to be lower than 5, and a number that's going to be bigger than 5. So we have 4 options here and 4 options here. However, we also need to multiply this by 2. And why is this? Well, because let's just switch around. So what if this one is smaller than 5 and this one is bigger than 5, or vice versa? So here we get 4, 4, 2, or 32. I'll write that 2 bigger. Now we have 6 other small little cells, and we need to put numbers in there. Now, because we know that in this row our median is definitely going to be 5, we don't really care about what's going to be on here, as we already know from over here with my explanation that at least one will be smaller, at least one of the medians will be smaller than 5, and at least one of the medians is going to be bigger than 5. So here we just need to order all 6 numbers that we have left, as we used 3 in the top row here. So in other words, we have 6 factorial ways left. This means in total we should have 4 times 4 times 2 times 6 factorial cases in this shape with 5 in the top left corner for M to be equal to 5. However, of course, what if the 5 is just in the top row, like here, or in the right corner, or the bottom left, or the bottom left corner? So this is why we need to multiply by 9 as well. As for every single case, it's going to be the exact same. If you want to, you can test this yourself, but they will be the exact same. So from this, now we need to solve this. And after some quick calculation, you can see that this should equal to 207,360. And of course, we need to find the remainder when Q is divided by 1000, so we're just going to remove the first 3 digits, and we're left with 360. So, which is why our answer should be 360. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any other solved problem, please let me know down below in the comments, and thank you guys for listening. Bye.